But the other project that's coming up that I'm super excited about is the what we call uh, the coin factory, and what that does, that allows you to do and launch tokens similarly that how we launch VMPX, where you can actually have Zen burned, and then a portion of that burned Zen will go to the launchers of the tokens. So, like, let me give you an example. So, 99.9999% of all the tokens that exist on Ethereum, and there's like 20,000 of them, none of them are first principles. So, like, in other words, they're launched as if you're launching a company and you're issuing shares. And I understand why people do it. It kind of makes sense because it's a you know it's obvious that it makes sense to model a company. Unfortunately, the laws are. I mean, it's actually on one side it's unfortunate. On the other side, it's very fortunate that the laws are set up the way that they are. ICOs are illegal. So, like, imagine Snoop Dogg wanted to launch a Snoop Dogg or DOGG token for himself and promote all of his weed and whatever, how to have the best haircut, that sort of thing, his toys, and maybe tickets to his shows or whatnot, and he wants to launch a token that's actually first principles. So he should be able to tap into the Zen ecosystem and build that token from Zen. Zen ends up being burned, so that's good for the supply, and a portion of the burn Zen actually goes to Snoop Dogg, so that he actually not only he launches a token, but he also gets the reward from Zen, which is really really cool.